Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Go. If you're looking to dive into the world of crypto trading, you've probably come across BingX, one of the rising platforms in the space. But with so many exchanges out there, it's essential to ask, is BingX safe? Is it legit in 2025? Well, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into everything BingX has to offer, its features, fees, security, pros and cons, and I'll share my personal thoughts on whether it's worth your time. Let's get started. What is BingX? BingX is a relatively new cryptocurrency exchange that launched in 2018. It has quickly gained traction globally and now offers its services in over 100 countries. The platform supports spot trading, futures trading, and even copy trading, an excellent feature for those who want to mimic the trades of experienced traders without having to put in the time and effort themselves. Now, when it comes to choosing a crypto exchange, security, usability, and fees are all top priorities. Key features of BingX: 1. User interface and experience. First impressions matter, and BingX does a great job with its user interface. The platform is sleek, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Whether you're on the desktop version or the mobile app, everything is designed with simplicity in mind. For those new to crypto trading, the layout is straightforward, which means you won't be overwhelmed by complex charts and options. If you're an experienced trader, don't worry. The platform has all the tools you need, like advanced charts, futures trading, and more, without being overly complicated. 2. Trading options. BingX supports a variety of trading options. Spot trading. This is the basic buy and sell method where you trade assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. Futures trading. If you're looking to leverage your positions, BingX offers futures contracts with up to 125 times leverage. But keep in mind that leverage is risky, so it's only for those who are experienced or really understand what they're doing. Copy trading. This is one of BingX's standout features. If you're not confident with your own trading skills, you can simply copy trades from experienced traders. You can browse top traders and their performance metrics, making it easy to pick someone whose strategy aligns with your goals. 3. Wide crypto selection. BingX supports a solid selection of 200 plus cryptocurrencies, including all the big names like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, and Solana, SOL. This makes it a good choice for both beginners and experienced traders who are looking to diversify their portfolios. They also offer a range of stablecoins like USDT and USDC, which is great for those looking to avoid volatility. Pros of BingX: 1. Copy trading for beginners. One of the biggest advantages of BingX is its copy trading feature. If you're new to crypto or don't have the time to research and execute trades yourself, this feature allows you to mimic the trades of experienced traders. You can see their performance history, risk level, and trading strategies before deciding who to follow. This is a huge benefit for people who want to trade in crypto, but don't necessarily want to spend hours learning charts and indicators. 2. High leverage on futures trading. BingX offers up to 125x leverage on futures contracts, which is quite impressive compared to many other exchanges. High leverage allows you to amplify your profits, but it also comes with the risk of larger losses. So it's crucial to be cautious and only use leverage if you're confident in your strategy. 3. Competitive fees. BingX offers relatively low trading fees, especially on spot trading, where they charge only a 0.10% fee for both makers and takers. This is one of the lowest fees in the industry, making it a solid choice if you're looking to trade frequently. Plus, they have a VIP program that offers fee discounts based on your trading volume. 4. Strong security features. Security is always a top priority, and BingX takes this seriously. They use two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your account, and most of your funds are kept in cold storage, making it more secure from hackers. While no platform is completely immune to breaches, these measures show that BingX is committed to keeping your funds safe. Cons of BingX: 1. Limited fiat-to-crypto pairs. One downside is that BingX does not support as many fiat-to-crypto pairs as larger exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. If you're looking to directly deposit fiat currency, USD, EUR, etc., into your account, you may have to use a third-party service or P2P options to fund your account, which can be a bit of a hassle. Second, regulatory concerns. As with most global exchanges, regulatory uncertainty is a concern. Depending on where you live, BingX may not be fully compliant with your country's crypto regulations. So it's always important to check the legalities of using the exchange in your region. There's also the matter of KYC, know your customer, and AML, anti-money laundering policies, which some users find tedious, but they are generally necessary for compliance. 3. Smaller user base. Compared to major exchanges, while BingX is growing, it still doesn't have the same recognition or user base as larger exchanges like Binance or Kraken. This means you may encounter some liquidity issues on smaller or less popular trading pairs. During periods of high volatility, there's also the chance you might experience some slippage. Is BingX safe and legit in 2025? In my opinion, BingX is safe and legit in 2025. The platform has implemented strong security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds. It offers competitive fees and features like copy trading, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced traders. However, just like with any exchange, be sure to do your research before committing large amounts of money and always practice good security hygiene. BingX is not without its drawbacks like limited fiat-to-crypto pairs and regulatory concerns, but it's still a solid option for people looking to trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies with low fees. So if you're looking for a platform that offers low fees, the ability to copy professional traders, and good security, BingX might be a great fit for you. The copy trading feature is definitely a standout for anyone who's new to crypto and doesn't want to dive deep into the complexities of the market. If you're ready to try BingX for yourself, be sure to check out the links in the description and comments below to sign up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more crypto reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.